Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Box for Enterprise Video Asset Management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the official Box website. On the homepage, locate the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on this button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a sign-up page where you can select enterprise plans. Choose the enterprise option that best fits your organization's needs. Fill in the required fields with your business information. This typically includes your company name, contact name, and email address. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements provided. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, taking time to understand them. Once you're ready, check the box to agree to these terms. Next, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button. After submission, you may receive a verification email. Check your email inbox for this message from Box. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This action will confirm your email address and activate your account. Once verified, return to the Box website and log in with your new credentials. You will be prompted to complete your profile by adding additional information. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your enterprise video asset management preferences. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Consider setting up user roles and permissions for your team as needed. Upload your first video asset by selecting the Upload option. Choose the file from your device and click Upload to add it to your library. Organize your video assets by creating folders or using tags for easy access. Explore the sharing options to securely distribute your content. Review the analytics features to track viewer engagement and performance. Utilize the help resources available within Box for any questions or support needed. Congratulations, you are now registered and ready to manage your video assets effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.